Good morning. It's about 9:30 and we are heading into town. It's during the big tent. It is during the Celarama. Yeah, it's packed and crowded. So we are going to go watch and see Cassandra Long Band at Beer Bellies today. So we're gonna go get a parking spot early. She'll be here in just a minute. I almost said bad. Finn. Hi, baby. Oh, I know. Come here. Oh, there he is. There's Sammy. There's Finn. Oh, goodness. So, we are going to go get a parking spot early because it's a madhouse at this time of year. And then we're just going to hang out. We might go walk some tents. I'm going to work on a video there. I can do it there instead of here and have a parking spot. And you might find a parking spot, but during this time of year, if you've seen last year, people will park and they really don't take into consideration anybody else. I've had people park right behind me. I've had people block me in. It's like they just park. They're like, I'm here and all that matters is me. So we're going to go find a safe parking spot, hopefully, and then see what we get into. We might go walk in some tents. Do you think? No, you won't. You won't. Finn might. Or we'll just wait until probably an hour before the band starts and then go find a table. Because it's going to be crowded in there too. All right, let's go. Do you know what that means? Let's go. Do you? Finn, do you know what that means? Finn? Do you know what it means? Did y'all kiss this morning? Let's see what happens when I leave the truck, and let's see what Finn and Sammy do. Oh goodness, just a minute. I'm getting in. Hang tight, just a minute. Hang tight. Oh, good boy. Hang tight. Thank you. You're welcome. Just don't want to drop it. Had it. All right, we are here at Tyson Wells. We parked. We got here at 10 something. We found a parking spot, so we're going to sit here for a while. And I ate peanut butter crackers for breakfast and Deborah didn't. So I'm going to make her a quesadilla with that leftover chicken from the chicken and rice soup. Is that what you want?
You betcha.
For breakfast, the chicken quesadilla.
Breakfast of champions with the champion.
Oh, here's my countertop.
Oh my God.
Finn's ware.
Finn's,
That's Finn's ware?
Finn's houses.
Yeah, Finn's ware. Here's my skillet. So
And Sammy says, don't talk about food unless you're going to give me some. She's back here.
I'll give y'all a bite of this chicken. Okay?
Sammy, did you hear that?
Yeah. All right, so I'm going to make a quesadilla. Okay, I put a little cheddar cheese, and a little mozzarella, some of that canned chicken, a little bit of salt, and you want a little pepper.
A lot of pepper.
A lot of pepper. Don't tell me a lot of pepper, gosh. All right. I'm going to say that's good. Now flip it. Flip it over.
Flip it. Flip it good.
Dun-dun-dun-dun. Dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun. And there's your chicken quesadilla with the puppies.
It's mine. No,
with the puppies?
It's mine. Thank you.
It looks good.
Oh, smells good.
Smells good.
Sorry about you not having
So this is your
smell-o-vision.
second quesadilla, and I still have chicken left.
Really, you do?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, not bad.
Awesome.
Sammy says.
Sammy says.
What do you say, Sammy? Huh? What do you say?
I know, baby. It's not fair, is it?
Is it loud? We're not going to the RV show today. We're going to Beer Belly.
He's right there. Should we sing happy birthday to him? Yeah, we should. Her hair is hollow gold. Her lips are sweet. Do you miss me when I'm gone? Sometimes we are staying on a little love. Still bear free when you see me coming up, honey, now do you? Pull me off of my knees, just get back. Come on, before we cry. I'm on Fireball! Come and join us if you want.
There goes Mary.
Fireball!
Walk like a man. Walk like a man. Yeah, you can do both.
This man, I feel like a woman.
Look who's here. I missed you.
So it's the end of the day. We're a little bit tired. And we're going to get a ride. What is your name?
Elizabeth from Stockton, California.
Well,
Woo!
Elizabeth, thank you so much.
We're gonna get a ride.
6 years old, high school substitute teacher.
Ah, that's awesome.
Yes, thank you so much.
Oops.